Dear Natural Cosmetics Formulators, I am Dr. Enrique Alía, and in today's video, we are going to see how to make an oil-based serum. In this case, nourishing for aged and frankly dehydrated skin. The formula for this oil-based serum is rosehip oil 24.5 grams, jojoba oil 24.5 grams, argan oil 24.5 grams, wheat germ oil 24.5 grams, and vitamin E in its form of alpha-tocopherol acetate 2 grams. This is an oil-based serum. It contains no water. It will be very greasy, which is why it is indicated for frankly dehydrated, malnourished skin. The goal is to nourish the skin through these 4 oils and of course also through vitamin E. Let's see what function these oils have. Why so much oil? Because all 4 are rich in essential fatty acids, which is what we are interested in. Why? What do these essential fatty acids do for the skin? They restore the skin's hydrolipidic layer, hydrating, protecting, and softening it. Essential fatty acids are fundamental, and we will obtain them thanks to these 4 vegetable oils. These vegetable oils also have antioxidant properties, with some action on free radicals that damage the skin's cellular structures. Due to their antioxidant action, they lighten the skin, have a skin lightening effect, and we will use vitamin E in its form of alpha-tocopherol acetate, which, let's not forget, is an oily liquid with some viscosity and a slightly yellowish color. This vitamin E acts against free radicals, reducing cellular damage, and therefore has an anti-aging effect. It is very emollient, softens the skin a lot, and due to its great antioxidant action, it lightens the skin and of course will protect the 4 vegetable oils from oxidation. How is this formula made? It's very easy. We mix the oils, and once they are mixed in a beaker, we add the liquid vitamin E, stirring until completely dissolved. This formula is very easy to make since all its components are liposoluble. There's no need to formulate an emulsion, and they will all dissolve directly. We will package our preparation in a topaz dropper bottle, one of those amber glass ones. Our formulation has a shelf life of at least 6 months and should be stored at room temperature away from light and moisture. Our oil-based serum. When I say oil-based, it means it is completely greasy. It contains not a drop of water. So our oil-based serum is indicated for very, very dehydrated skin, aged skin, skin that lacks oil, known as alipic skin. This type of skin, even those that are yellowish, our serum would be indicated for this type of skin. How is it applied? A few drops, 2 or 3 drops, are applied to the face, giving a gentle massage until completely absorbed. This can be done every night before going to bed. It's not advisable to overdo the number of drops because otherwise the face will become very greasy. Just 2 or 3 drops and a good spread on the face for good absorption. This should be done every single night. Well, this has been today's video, which I hope you have enjoyed. Thank you very much, and I remind you that you can subscribe to my channel to receive updates. Until the next video.